what's up? Sean here. Big news, I've just been made a brand ambassador for Tamron's line of Sony lenses. I've been working with Tamron for about 2-ish years, so I was very excited when they asked me to be a brand ambassador. They sent me this very exciting package, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing while I share some of my thoughts. First up, we have the 17-28mm. As someone who shoots a lot of landscape and travel, this focal range is easily my most used, and it's perfect for when you're mounting your camera on a gimbal. This is the 28-75mm. One question I get asked the most is what lens to buy when you're starting out, and the answer is this lens. It's incredibly versatile and affordable, so if you can only buy one lens, I would recommend you start with this one. Next up is the 70-180mm. I use this focal range mostly for wildlife, but also surprisingly for landscape photography as well. Adding background compression gives your images that extra dimension, and in some cases, it's vital for telling the story. And lastly, the 35mm. I've never been a fan of the 50mm look. It's always felt just a bit off to me, but that's a personal preference thing. But when I started shooting with the 35mm as an alternative, I was blown away by the look for photos and videos. Prime lenses are definitely a luxury item, and the 35mm is my favorite. Overall, the Tamron range of lenses make the Sony system, which I think is the best, more accessible. They land in that sweet spot of great quality for a reasonable price, which is a rare combination when it comes to photography gear. All right, that's all from me. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try my best to get to them. Stay safe.